Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Famous John. And Famous John has Down syndrome. He's 15 years old and he can ride a bike without training wheels. And he's willing to help me teach my series on bike riding skills. So the next skill, we've worked on going straight, we've worked on figure eights. Now we're gonna try an even trickier skill. We're gonna try weaving. So we have cones set up 10 feet apart, and weaving through these is tricky. So LJ, you ready to give them what you got? All right, you ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Got that in power position at 2 o'clock. All right, you gotta weave over here, and then over there. Slow it down. Over here, over there. Way to go, John. Let's go one more time, come on. You're gonna go on that side, over here, cut over here. Go that way, come back over here toward me, over here, over here, over here. Yeah, cut back that way. And hit the brakes, man, hit the brakes. Hit the brakes. Oh yeah! That was a perfect run. So if you wanted to make this trickier, we have these cones set up every 10 feet, every 8 feet, every 7 foot. If it's smaller, it's gonna be much more trickier. We started off with it at 8 foot, it was too tricky, but 10 foot, you nailed it, man. I hope this is a helpful idea for you to work on your control with bike riding, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.